Back in 2016, we spent $5,000 for a brand new website in Squarespace. We wanted to pay this designer because we thought that creating a new website was going to improve our sales. We were selling low-ticket products in a ballet fitness niche, and we thought that everything had to look pretty for people to buy from us. Unfortunately, the new website did not provide us with more sales, but after doing this for more than 8 years and having figured out how to generate more than $900,000 of online sales, I can tell you that you don't need a website. And also I want to show you a way that you can sell high ticket without any website. A few years ago, we were all about websites and funnels and landing pages and mailing lists, opt-in pages and all of that. So much so that everything revolved around our website. We used to do rotational promotions every 2 to 3 months. And every 2 to 3 months, we had to gather the team, talk about the promotion, come up with the offer, come up with the copy for each pages, design the pages, put them in practice, manage the project, make sure everything was working and linked up with checkout pages, Google links, monday.com. It was exhausting. Don't get me wrong, the result was amazing. Every time a new people were coming into the funnel, they would have a great experience, but at what costs? We were running a high maintenance machine that was relying on high traffic and very small percentage of conversion. Because of the nature of it, when you attract lots of people, you can expect everything and anything. So everything had to look amazing for them as well, to gain that slight edge. But after years being worn out of building this new website every single time, we said the usual, there must be a better way. And especially if you're selling high ticket, there's no way you can sell a high ticket program with just a website. There is no way a complete stranger would jump into a landing page that explains all the right thing, that is beautifully designed, and give you $6,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. There's no way in the world. So here's the good news. If you are selling high ticket, you potentially don't even need a website. The first idea for this came when we were part of the Graham Cochran Epic Mastermind. One of the members once said, "Guys, I'm trying something different and it seems to work really well. I want to share it. I used to create a landing page every time I had to sell something. But now what I did, I just took the copy of the landing page and put it on a Google Doc. And with my surprise, every time I talk with somebody, I send her the doc. It's so much easier for them to convert." Well, I don't know why. It might be because it doesn't look like a landing page, but people don't feel they need to put the guard up because it's just a Google Doc. And I thought, interesting. And I thought, Alessia, would you like to do something like that? She's like, no, I'm a visual person and my audience is a visual people, which is true in an art form like ballet. You've got to see pictures, right? So we never really applied this format. But then we never had a high ticket product either, so it didn't make sense for us. But then many more people started applying this Google Doc system, and we started applying it too in our coaching business. And by refining this, we realized that we don't even need a website anymore because our content is doing most of the work for us. Of course, we do have a website with all the information about what we do and how we can help people, but it's not because of that we're getting sales. The sales process is done by first getting discovered from social media. You find this video and you say, what Iacopo is saying kind of makes sense. I want to go deeper. And maybe you go and watch other videos that help you grow your business. Maybe you apply some tips that I give you and you find some success. Then you decide to come back and see what I've got for sale. Maybe you contact me and say, hey, I saw this video, you mentioned this and that. What have you got for me? Can you help me with that? And then we have a conversation. Keyword conversation. So you don't need a website, you need to start conversations. That's what's going to lead to a sale, to a longer relationship with the person that is going to pay you for what you can offer. We are also this type of clients. Every time we pay for high ticket programs, sometimes we don't even know if the person has a website because we find them through content, we start the conversation, and then we decide whether to sign up or not. If they send us a document, a landing page, it doesn't matter as long as they have what we want and we think that we can achieve some results with their vehicle, with their program, with their whatever they're selling. So back in the days, I used to suggest people not to have a website, but to have a funnel, which, Russell Brunson created. You are one funnel away philosophy, and many, many funnels came out from that. But now I think in 2024 and going forward, a funnel is not going to cut it anymore. Especially with AI stepping into place where anything can be faked, we would crave human connections, human interactions, human conversations. And if you can provide that to your clients in a most natural and genuine and easy way possible, that should be how it's done. And if you're not sure exactly of what type of content to create, on how to nurture your clients on a long term, and how to actually create a sales system to eventually sell to them, we explain our 3-pillar method in our video that I'm going to link it right here, that explain how we generated 20 to 30K a month in a tiny hobby niche. And you can apply the same principle too. You can watch it right now.